Want to start a business, but don't have money to invest? The truth is, you don't need thousands of dollars to launch a successful business. You just need strategy, creativity, and determination. Many of today's biggest companies started with little or no capital, and with the internet, there are more opportunities than ever to build a business from scratch. The first step is choosing a business model that doesn't require upfront investment. Service-based businesses like freelancing, consulting, social media management, content writing, and graphic design are some of the easiest ways to start making money immediately. You can use your existing skills and start with zero overhead costs. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can connect you with clients right away. Even if you don't have prior experience, you can offer free or discounted services at first to build testimonials and a portfolio. If you prefer a product-based business, consider dropshipping, print-on-demand, or affiliate marketing. With dropshipping, you don't need to buy inventory upfront. Products are shipped directly from suppliers to customers. Print-on-demand lets you sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding stock. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products through social media, a blog, or YouTube. The key to starting with no money is leveraging free tools and platforms. You don't need an expensive website to launch. Start with a free website on Wix or WordPress. Create a business profile on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and use Canva for free graphic design. Instead of paid ads, focus on organic growth strategies like SEO, social media marketing, and content creation to attract customers without spending a dime. Networking is another powerful tool. Reach out to friends, family, and professional contacts to find your first customers. Many businesses get their first clients through personal connections before expanding. Online communities, Facebook groups, and LinkedIn are great places to offer value, build relationships, and attract clients for free. Joining Reddit communities, Discord groups, or Twitter threads relevant to your industry can also help you get exposure. To keep costs low, only invest in essentials when absolutely necessary. Instead of hiring staff, handle the work yourself or outsource tasks on a gig-by-gig basis using platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Instead of expensive software, use free alternatives like Google Docs, Trello for project management, Wave for accounting, and MailChimp for email marketing. Another way to build a business without capital is bartering services. If you're a web designer, offer a small business a free website in exchange for marketing help. If you're a writer, exchange content creation for branding support. Many entrepreneurs trade skills instead of money when starting out. Once you start making money, reinvest your first profits into growing your business. Instead of spending your early earnings, put them back into better marketing, tools, or expanding your reach. The goal is to scale smartly without taking on unnecessary debt. If you don't have startup capital, consider crowdfunding on platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe, where you can raise money for your idea before launching. Some businesses also start with pre-orders, allowing customers to pay upfront before production begins. The secret to success is taking action and staying consistent. Many entrepreneurs fail because they overthink or wait for the perfect moment. Instead of worrying about having all the answers, start where you are, use what you have, and focus on delivering value. Starting a business with no money is possible. You just need to start today, learn as you go, and take advantage of free resources. Once you take action, momentum will build and opportunities will grow. The only difference between those who succeed and those who don't is the willingness to start.